National Giving Alliance, often known as NGA, is an organization that's 136 years old. We were founded in 1885 by 8 women who saw the need to clothe needy children in their community. So back in 1885, they began making clothes, and they distributed them to children in orphanages, children in hospitals, and to needy families in the Philadelphia area. NGA, where NGA is housed, or where our offices are, we own our building, and our HVAC units had come due for replacement. We were looking at a number of options, but one of our goals was to make sure we looked at something that was environmentally friendly. And for where our location is, we looked at solar, and that was the best option for us. And it made economic sense for us. It was environmentally friendly, and we just thought it was a really good fit for our organization, because not only do we want to help those in need, but we're also looking at future generations to ensure that we aren't going to have a negative effect on the environment. And solar is a good way to go. It was actually simple. So we were working with a company, an engineering company, and they helped us to look at all our options for replacing our current HVAC system. And when we were looking at solar, they brought in a really good solar company and installer, and they made the process very easy. They explained it in layman's terms. They provided a lot of materials for us to go through, and they explained to us why the location that they selected to install our solar panels was the best. They came in, they installed it in less than a day. Our solar panels and our HVAC system was completed end of June of 2020. And so for July, August, September, and October, our electric bill was 0. So it's a financial gain right there. Our bills are lower right now. We're also not having to pay for oil for the heating system. We don't have to have service charges. So all in all, it's been a really good savings for our nonprofit, which is really beneficial. So that means we're putting more money into our programs versus paying for utilities, which is great. Solar has been a really good savings for us, but it looks like it's several $1,000s that we're saving, which means that goes right back to our mission and our programs. So we can then have more dollars to help others, which is really, that's what we're about, is helping others. The company that we worked with was really helpful, and they had good customer service. They really followed up after, when we first contacted them, they followed up with us to make sure we didn't have any more questions. They also answered questions that we didn't even think to ask. After it was installed, they were really good about seeing that we would how to go about selling our SRECs, our solar credits. And then they followed up to make sure that we were content and happy with our system. So they were really good.